going on? My name is 3PS Gamer and I'm going to be doing just a small unboxing video of the Aorus Liquid Cooler 360. I was going to originally install it into my Vantex Enthro Pro case shown right here, but right now I'm running a Corsair A500 air cooler on it. I was getting a little bored with my Enthro Pro, so I decided to find my RX57 build a new home. So I'm going to probably go with this Fractal design Meshify S2 with tempered glass. Okay, so looking at the back of the box, here we see some features and specs. The Aorus 360 includes three 120mm ARGB fans that operate up to 2500 RPM with a noise level of about 35.9 dBA. This cooler comes with 60 by 60 millimeter circular display on the block, which is pretty cool. It has CPU support for various AMD and Intel CPUs and uses software to control and customize. Okay, so let's open up this box. Gotta cut this gigabyte seal real quick so that we can have a look at this awesome cooler. Let's remove this foam cover. Here we have a simple install sheet and material list. I'm going to set that aside real quick. Let's check out this LCD CPU block. It comes with thermal paste pre-applied. It's nice to have it pre-applied. It saves you the trouble of having to apply it yourself. And here we have the radiator. It has the Aorus logo in chrome, which looks really nice. Alright, I want to check out the block itself. Let's take off this plastic cover and have a closer look. As you can see, the thermal paste comes pre-applied like in a circular pattern. I'm interested to see on how that's going to spread on a square CPU. So here we have the SATA power connectors, fan headers, LED headers, and USB 2.0 cable as well for interfacing with it and feeding it power and all that good stuff. So let's check out the hardware that's included with the Aorus liquid cooler. Looks like various hardware and stuff for the AMD and Intel processors. And here we're checking out the fans. They look pretty nice. It looks like it's got a little plastic covering over it. Pretty nice. I can't wait to actually fire them up and see how the colors look on these. These are ARGB LEDs. And this one is the 360, so it includes three of them. So they look really nice with the Aorus logo. Alright, well, this concludes my video, so don't forget to stay tuned. I'm going to be running some bench tests and stuff, comparing the A500 to the Aorus liquid cooler just to get a comparison of the two. And I'm also going to be bench testing other CPUs and other graphics card combinations and stuff on games. And I'll be using 3D Mark as well, and I'll be using Cinebench R20. Be sure to check out those videos, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.